The Ecotech converter uses a patented catalyst to convert oil into water and other traces of air which are natural compounds of the atmosphere. Integrated unit. The Ecotech converter is installed right into the compressor unit. The compressed air coming out of the compressor is preheated in the air-air heat exchanger and then flows into the converter, which is filled with catalyst. An electrically operated heater maintains the converter at the operating temperature, which is required to purify the compressed air. When the air flows through the converter, the hydrocarbons are catalytically oxidized. The oil-free compressed air is then cooled down in the heat exchanger and flows downstream to the air aftercooler. Oil vapor, oil aerosols, water vapor, carbon dioxide and oxygen are entering the catalytic converter. When the air flows through the converter, the hydrocarbons are catalytically oxidized. The catalyst is a highly porous system of mega, macro and micropores. The surface of the catalyst, or the so-called working zone, is covered with active centers. Air and oil molecules impinge on this working zone of the catalyst. Here you can see how the air molecules behave on the surface of the catalyst. Nitrogen molecules, oxygen molecules, carbon dioxide molecules, water molecules. They carom off the active centers. Oil molecules which contact the active centers are held back and cracked into small fractions. The released atoms are directly bound by the oxygen of the air. There is an intensive exchange of electrons among the oxygen molecules. This process is permanently repeated until all oil molecules are splitted to carbon dioxide and water. As component of the natural air, water and carbon dioxide are leaving the converter. Ecotech converter is your guarantee for absolutely oil-free compressed air and pure water as condensate.